Ericsson is investing in the U.S. to build resilient and secure supply chains, create U.S. jobs, and ensure continued U.S. 5G leadership with network technology developed and manufactured right here at home. Ericsson is proud to have enabled American service providers to be the first in the world to launch 5G. And we're proud to be the first company to offer the market 5G products made at scale in a U.S. factory by U.S. workers. Since 2020, Ericsson has developed and manufactured 5G products for the U.S. in the U.S. And now, we're expanding our USA 5G Smart Factory to help build a more secure, sustainable, and innovative future for America. With safer, cleaner, advanced manufacturing, Ericsson is committed to long-term resilience and security across critical supply chains, reshoring American manufacturing, and meeting our customers' needs for the most advanced 5G networks with 5G products developed and made in the USA. This commitment is backed up by Ericsson networks in all 50 states and US-made equipment deployed in major cities from coast to coast. Ericsson is upskilling American workers for the future of manufacturing. And we're empowering the US market to build networks with secure, American-made technology, helping to address the digital divide and accelerate business transformation. Our presence in the United States already includes 30-plus business locations, 6 research and development centers, and 8,000 employees. These are just some of the many ways Ericsson is delivering on our commitment to bring high-tech development and manufacturing to the United States. It's all part of our mission to strengthen U.S. 5G leadership and create a world where limitless connectivity improves lives, redefines business, and pioneers a sustainable future. For 120 years, Ericsson has been investing in the United States to build resilient and secure supply chains, create jobs, and ensure continued U.S. 5G leadership with network technology made right here at home. Ericsson 5G, made in the USA for the USA.